Hi guys, Kevin here. In this video, I will be unboxing a tripod from Ulanzi brand. Now, there are a lot of variations for you to choose from, so I bought this separately. In my case, I got the model MT-08 extension tripod and the vertical smartphone clip, model ST-17. I bought these from a local Shopee gadget reseller, One Gadgets. I will link the description down below. There are other resellers who sell the same product, so feel free to research. Apparently, this Ulanzi brand originated from China, and their products focus mainly on providing the best vlogging experience. So there's a lot of different kinds of accessories that can be attached to smartphones or digital cameras. Again, these were bought separately. You can try to mix and match different kinds of extension tripods and clips. There are those for digital cameras and different ones for smartphones. Majority of smartphone clips are all fixed on landscape mode, but this ST-17 model allows you to rotate your smartphone to vertical or portrait mode. Let's see how it holds up.